Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Shelly. If you want to learn how to do this beautiful braid, stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay notified when I drop new videos. All right, so this is my mannequin. Her name is Keesh. Now Keesh has a lot of hair, so I had to create my own hair tie kind of thing, so because Scrunchy's just not cutting it for her hair. So I'm also spraying Got To Be Glue hairspray in her hair just to make it so that I can work with it, you know? So I'm using my smoothing brush, and then I'm gonna use that piece of material that you saw me wave in front of you guys, and I'm gonna use that to wrap it around her hair. I needed to do that so I can really, you know, work with a lot of hair at one time. So this video, I'm gonna be explaining how to do it. It's pretty much the same technique throughout the whole video. So I have kanekalon hair. I'm using 2 pieces of this. It's like an 8-pack of hair. I'll have to put the link in the description to show you guys exactly what it is, but I'm using 2 packs of this. You know how they have like the 3 times hair or the 4 times hair? I got 1 pack of those. So I placed the pack of hair in between her ponytail, and I'm placing the other one on top. So you're definitely going to want to have hairspray for this, because you're going to want to keep your hair smooth with the kanekalon hair just to help it blend in. So you're also going to want to need to get a detangling type brush or some type of rat tail comb or whatever smoothing comb that you would like to use. So the first thing I'm doing is detangling this to help it blend in, because I want the kanekalon hair on top of her natural hair, because the kanekalon hair is longer than her hair, so I want to be able to keep that part on top. So what you see me doing now is I am smoothing the hair. I took the bottom piece and I flipped it over to the top piece. Now I am taking this, and you're gonna see me put a rubber band on this. So pretty much this hairstyle is doing the same repetitive steps over and over. I'll let you guys watch this video and just watch it till the end, because I'm going to keep doing the same thing over and over. So it'll pretty much be self-explanatory on how to do it. The products that you'll need will be in the description. Again, you'll need hairspray, you'll need a comb, some type of smoothing brush, your favorite scrunchie, or you can do what I did and cut a piece of material and go from there. But everything that I've used will be in the description as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment and tell me what other hairstyles you want to see me do, and turn on your notification bell. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys watch the rest of the video. All right, y'all.